Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to do a check to see where we're at on our grades. So we know where we're at on our grades, and if you have a goal in mind, let's say a C, then you'll need to, go ahead and close your computer, then you'll need to see what you need to do in order to reach that goal. Now, a couple things. We're midpoint in the class, exactly midpoint. 100 of those points are worth your major project. So this class is what's considered heavy weighted at the end of the class, which means that more points are due at the end of the class. So what I'd like you to do is estimate, let's say there's about 240, so that 240 includes the 100%. What would be, so we have 240 points total, 70 points are in the books.
Oh, so like this whole thing is 240?
That whole thing is 240.
Like we're doing like a pie chart?
Yeah, right. So if we want 70 points, that's exactly where I'm going. So 70 points are completely done. There's nothing you can do about them. They're in the books. So how much is that 70? So what percentage is 70 out of 240? This is just a game. This is what all students do.
Oh, so you want me to draw what I think?
Yeah.
All right.
So 70 is about what percentage of that entire chart?
I'll say
About yeah, close to a quarter.
that maybe?
Okay, let's go ahead and make that a little bigger. Let's make it close to a quarter here.
Okay.
Let's
Bigger.
cross it out. Yeah, and then what you're going to do is, what I want you to do after you figure out about what that 70 mark is. Yeah, that's looking more representative. Okay, so now we know that's done. That's in the books. There's nothing you can do about it right now. So whatever grade you have is not entirely representative of the grade you could earn in here. So this is for those of you that looked at your grade and you're thinking, wow, I'm doing really well. There's, I can kind of coast. You can't coast from this point forward. Now, if your grade isn't that good, is it the end of the world right now? No, what can you do in order to do well? Let's say you're not passing. I'm not saying you are, but let's say that you're not passing. You've earned 75, or you've earned 30 out of those 70 points. You have a 50% in class. Could you still pass this class? Absolutely. Okay, so this is just a trick, a tool. You need to be really aware of what's going on in your classes. You need to check your grade books. And if you're not doing very well, see what's possible through the rest of the term. So check it frequently, check it often, and don't allow one bad grade to get you down, to think that it's all a failure, because it's not. There's still so much more you can earn in here. Thank you for doing that. Okay, please give our volunteers a big hand for helping us out with our grade books.